How to enable two-factor authentication on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the security settings. Within security settings, look for two-factor authentication 2FA. Here you can enable multiple two-factor authentication options including Passkey, hardware key, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, and SMS code verification. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Gemini account, ensuring that even if someone obtains your password, they cannot access your account without the two-factor authentication code. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.